Part 4 is going to show you how to use the imported DigiKeyges DR4018 DK50018 JMRI file from Part 3 of this series. First, I will show the module is in factory default mode. I'm going to start the DR5000 app and bring up the switch panel. The default value for the module is dual coil switch machines, which uses 2 outputs per ID number. You have the thrown and the closed on each for a total of 8 dual coil switch machines on preset 0. You will see that the lights will be on momentarily and go off for each red and green button. Now let's go ahead and program the DR4018 or the DK50018 switch decoder using Decoder Pro. Start Decoder Pro. I will select my test bed. This is where I downloaded the file. I'm set up for programming on the main. The only decoder file here is my downloaded file. Select that file, then click on the Program button. It will bring up the decoder file in Decoder Pro. Click on the CVs folder. This folder shows all the CVs for this decoder file. Do not change any of these CV numbers. The only time we will use this folder is to program the CV47 number we need to use. You'll notice that the only thing I can do is write this CV. I can't do compare or read. DigiKeyges states that you can only write this CV only. Since you can't read it, you can't compare it. All I want to do is use this folder just to program CV47. I need to push the Program button on the module to put it in program mode. Select the CV47 right button. Now press the Program button to turn off the program mode on the module and check that we have changed the preset to 1. I'm going to exit out of Decoder Pro. This is just for demonstration purposes. Bring up the DR5000 again. Bring up the switch panel. And all green switch panel buttons should be individual on and off for 16 outputs. Output 1 on. Output 2 on. Output 3 on. Output 4 on. 5. 6. 7. 8. Now that we've done that, I'm going to turn them all off and close the DigiKeyges app. I'm going to open Decoder Pro again. You don't have to do this twice. I'm just doing it for showing you the different sections of the programming. I will do a part 5 showing how quickly you can actually do this. This is where it gets a lot faster. We are going to invert the output lights. Click on the function folder. This is the grid for the outputs. Now you'll notice that if I was on preset 1, the function map check marks in preset 1 would normally be in all the on boxes. We are going to change it to use the off boxes. I'm going to turn the programming mode back on. Make sure the DigiKeyges module is on. Now that it's on, I'm going to do a write full sheet. You will see how fast this will go through all the light CVs. Watch the bottom of the folder when it says OK, you are done. I have just changed all the outputs and I can turn off the programming light on the DigiKeyges module. Now exit out of JMRI Decoder Pro, and let's bring up the DR5000 app again. Then bring up the switch panel. Now, when I click the green buttons, nothing will happen. But, if I click the red buttons, the lights will turn on. and you can turn off the lights by clicking on the green buttons. The next part will actually show how fast JMRI Decoder Pro can set up the DR4018 DK50018 units. Thank you.